Somewhere soon.
Is there like an auto run? Because that would be cool.
That would be cool.
Dude, you're so slow in this game.
Yeah, you run like you have shit in your pants.
If I had shit in my pants, I'd still run faster.
Especially if there's a ghost
same.
chasing you.
Yeah. Oh, I'm hearing something. Plus Jake's just king.
It's me fapping, bro.
Okay, so this way. We haven't been this way.
Dap, 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 dap.
Fap.
They call me Fappy Bird.
Nothing.
Remember that game?
Alright, yeah, we've been down
we've
this
been
way.
down here.
Alright, we just didn't get this right. The echo fucks with me.
Can you imagine?
Here's this.
If we were actually ghosts up. Wait, guys, what about down here?
No, wait, wait, down there?
Yeah, we haven't checked down here. What if we were in an asylum and we were ghost hunting and like you just made that joke and like every time we went
need to ghost hunt in real life.
I would love that.
Every time we drive by the asylum after like we explored it, like Cameron would just be like, "Hey, remember the Fappy Bird joke?" So fucking stupid.
Oh God!
That's real.
Hush! Shut up!
Happy Bird.
Can you imagine?
We're all about
There's
to
like
die.
a-
We're like Happy Bird.
Oh
Are we
my
good?
God.
Okay.
That was fucking hilarious. that's something in Scary Movie, dude.
You just everybody was quiet because like we were like, oh no, let the ghost find us, and we hid, and then all of a sudden just Fappy Bird, and I was like, shut the fuck up,
I'm posting that on Facebook.
dude, tag me in it.
I'll tag everybody, dude. That is like an ace level fucking like moment right there.
Right.